What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro. Today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera today to give you an update on the SMS phone leads, and they have some new features that has been presented with this program. This is a SMS marketing platform where you can use text message marketing to market your business. So if you do the work to share the number to different people, marketers that's out there, they can in turns, dial that number, and then they can be able to receive either text messages or also a voicemail message to direct them to the opportunity that you present. All right. So you want to head over here to the left hand side to get started. They're going to have some videos and some tutorials that you can use to get started. Now, before you be able to get into this program, you must have a Stripe account. So you can be able to connect the Stripe account to your in the back office to your profile, and with the Stripe account that can connect to your bank as well. Okay, so make sure that you have a Stripe account, and once you connect your Stripe account, you could be presented your affiliate link. That way you can use that affiliate link to promote your opportunity on different platforms. Okay, so you want to check out and hit the quick get started tab. And once you get the quick get started tab, you're going to actually click on one of these videos. These videos will guide you through. Okay, now they also have a further case study. They have a further case study. You want to click on the SMS. They'll show you what you get and how everything is processed through. You get an opt-in page, a bridge page, and your primary offer. They show you, how much you could be making with that. So you want to be able to check that out. They have a PDF and they have a training. So, once you click on that training tab, it has some, I believe, some training. This is a training video that you can check out. They'll show you how the marketing system works. Okay, especially for those that don't know, just now starting to get into affiliate marketing. It shows you step by step. This is the blueprint to get you to know what comes next. So when the person comes to your page, they go come to an option page, where they could put in their information, and that way you could collect their email, and they're going to be presented a page. Sometimes this could consist of a video or what to do next, and then that show your primary offer so they can check out what you have. Okay, this is the SMS vault right here. Now this shows also steps of marketing on, gives you the training on the whole funnel and everything. So you want to click for the PDF. They have more and more information about that as well. This is the SMS option. You get to have keywords response. You can set up certain keywords for certain text messages to come up. I get deeper to that in other videos. You have a phone funnel. This is the SMS custom. This is where you can design your custom page. You want to go ahead and read this. They tell you step-by-step information. This is your phone number right here. This is my phone number that is assigned to you, and you could buy multiple phone numbers so you can present different opportunities. Okay, this is your message and your outbound message, and you can upload a voice message so you can be able to, so people can be able to hear your voice once they dial the number. They can hear your voicemail, whatever you have to present. You can also go over to places like Fiverr, and you can pay someone to be able to make a voicemail for you, just in case if you don't want to make one on your own. Once you make that voicemail, it'll be presented a text message that's going to be sent to their phone number with your link. So whatever text message that you have typed up for yourself, once they hear your voicemail message, you will be presented they could send over to you a text message with your link and whatever program that you're promoting. Okay, so that's very, very powerful as well. Okay, they also have opt-in funnels. where, you know, if you have like a get response, you have an auto responder. If you got a get response or a Weber, you can use that to connect with it. You can activate auto respond. They have a text message or a call. So that would be your choice, okay? So those are the different types of funnels. They got a two-step funnel as well that you can use. This system is very, very powerful. Like I said before, they have, you know, different strategies that you can use. This is going to be an affiliate link, and you can check that out as well. All right. So also, they got a crypto funnel too. They got add-ons, you know, what you purchase. They also got available. You can have the SMS autoresponder. You have to pay for that, which is $19.95 a month, I believe you can use from them. Okay. Also, it has a traffic rotator. And this is how much you earn now. You earn $100 if you have people to sign up, and you can also have upsells as well. So if you get people to buy all the products, you get up to like $197 for a customer to buy the whole products. Okay, this is a traffic rotator you can use. It's like a funnel. You know, people that's with the program, they help you to rotate your link, so your link can get seen in front of lots of marketers. You could buy SMS credits, because if you use these people that's coming in your funnel, that's going to be using SMS credits. So that's any SMS network use credits. You can buy additional numbers right here. You can also purchase mobile leads. And, you know, I guess they give you like, you know, 7 days fresh. And these are leads that's not already been used. It's, you know, scrubbed, so you can check that out as well. Okay, to get started with SMS phone leads, you want to start off with $100 to start with, and like I said before, you get to get, you know, $100 over and over for people that decide to join up with you. Okay, so if you would like to get started with me with SMS phone leads, the link in the description will be below. If you have any, you know, remarks or any comments, leave your comments in the comments section. And if you would like to connect with me on social media, that also will be in the link in the description. Okay, so I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on the SMS phone leads and the updates that it has. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and strategies that I use for my daily marketing routine. All right, that's Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.